You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this famous phrase from Welsh if you want to learn more useful Welsh vocabulary, and also how to say cheers in many other languages. That's very useful anywhere. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The Welsh pronunciation here, used in Wales. Iechyd da, the meaning, it means cheers, or we believe good times are ahead, so it's used to express good wishes before drinking, aka cheers. Iechyd da, Iechyd da. If you cannot pronounce the h sound, you just replace the ch with an h sound. This is going to be the closest sound in English pronunciation. Iechyd da, or Iechyd da. Really, you should say it, Iechyd da. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.